You click a link. Your device has an IP like 192.168.1.10, but that address cannot exist on the public internet. So how does your data actually reach the world? Let's pull back the curtain on network address translation. NAT. It starts with a request. Source EP 192.168.1.10. Source port 5000. Destination IP 93.84.216.34. Destination port 443. The packet reaches the router, but private IPs aren't routable on the internet. Without transformation, this is a dead end. This is NAT in action. The router replaces your private IP with its own public IP. AS, it modifies the packet. It also updates the checksums, ensuring the packet remains valid end-to-end. But there's a problem. Multiple devices may use the same source port. To avoid collisions, the router assigns a unique external port for each active connection. Unique ports mean unique sessions. The router stores this mapping in a NAT table. This is its memory, tracking every active connection. It now knows exactly how to map internal devices to external identities. Now the packet is valid. It travels across the internet using the public IP. The server processes the request and sends the response back. When the response reaches the router, reverse NAT begins. But the router also verifies the connection. Using stateful tracking, it ensures this packet belongs to an established session. If it doesn't match a valid connection state, it is dropped. Using the NAT table, the router restores the original identity. 203.0.113.5:6000 becomes 192.168.1.10:5000. To your device, it looks like it was talking to the server directly. This is why hosting services from home is tricky. Without a matching entry in the NAT table, incoming traffic has nowhere to go. That's why we use port forwarding to create a static mapping in advance. And in some cases, the router can even loop traffic back internally. This is called NAT Hairpinning. Sometimes your ISP performs NAT again. This is Carrier-Grade NAT, NAT happening at a much larger scale. And all of this happens in milliseconds for every single connection you make. One packet is translated, tracked, verified, and delivered seamlessly. That is what really happens inside your router. If you're curious about how systems really work behind the scenes, subscribe to What Really Happens. We break it down step by step.